Somewhere tonight, an unseen algorithm is approving mortgages and rejecting resumes without any human interaction. In the same hour, a single chatbot session can burn more electricity than your refrigerator uses all week. Last winter, a message landed in my inbox from a frightened grandmother. She'd read an article claiming robots and AI would erase her grandchildren's future, and begged me, a philosophy teacher turned tech ethics nerd, to tell her whether she should throw every smart speaker in the trash. The note didn't scare me, but it reminded me why clear thinking matters. New tools shape us as much as we shape them, and if we drift on autopilot, the drift becomes destiny. Artificial intelligence feels like magic right now. It paints portraits, writes term papers, predicts proteins. Philosophy's first gift is to slow that swing. Before we shout, "Will AI end us?" we ask, what is AI really? It's mathematics wearing a mask of language, a huge mirror polished by trillions of human data points, some noble, some toxic. When the mirror looks twisted, it is reflecting us. Technology is a hammer. If we shape the handle with care, we can build a house. But if we favor speed over sturdiness, we might get an axe. Every friendly chatbot lives on racks of steel cooled by turbines, powered by grids that still burn coal at 3 a.m. Training one large model can sip the electricity that 30 families need for a year and release the carbon of driving a car 5 times around Earth. If a clever joke from a robot warms the planet by another fraction of a degree, was the punchline worth the heat? The fix already exists. Open carbon tracking tools route heavy workloads to wind-rich nights. The question isn't, can we, but will we bother? Early in the pandemic, I scrolled through endless images of empty grocery store shelves. A friend posted one from her local shop. "It's uncanny," I said. "How does it know what to take?" She shrugged. "Maybe it knows what it doesn't want us to eat." We laughed, but maybe she was right. The systems that drive supply chains were designed to banish waste and optimize profit. If there's ever a shortage of toilet paper, you do not want to be the store with the full shelves, because soon you'll be the store with none. That logic steered shipping containers filled with necessities away from places that could have used them and toward warehouses where they'd gather dust. The result? Stores kept full while people went hungry. This logic has been running the world since 2008, when the financial crisis revealed that subprime mortgages would tank. Lenders tightened their nets. Working folks with good incomes found themselves shut out of loans, and the doors to homeownership closed behind them. History shows us that algorithms are just code bent on a single task, and that task can be anything we program it to be: tracking pandemics, delivering babies, even counting pi in the cloud. In reality, AI is a mirror, reflecting the patterns we ourselves have made. They are hammers, forged in the fires of our desires. The question isn't what will they become, it's what do we want them to be. Scroll any text-to-image feed and you'll see paintings that feel hauntingly familiar. They borrow the color of Monet, the line of Miyazaki, the mood of Mochizuki. Often without a credit, rarely with permission. Creativity is a conversation across time. Plagiarism happens when one guest shouts so loudly, every other voice fades. If we let models dine on human art without paying the bill, the next generation of artists may never get a seat at the table. Opt-in registries and new licenses now let creators say, "Train on my work if you cite me and share the profit." That is philosophy at work, turning fairness from feeling into rule. Picture software deciding who gets a mortgage, which resume is read, or where police patrol at night. Transparency dashboards, bias explorers, and community audits aren't luxuries. They're safety belts for digital society. Here's what I told that grandmother. Keep the smart speaker if it helps you hear music and call family hands-free. Unplug it at night. Mute it during private talk. No gadget is destiny. Destiny is the sum of thousands of mindful choices. The road of technology is still under construction, and we are all road workers, coders, painters, farmers, parents. If we pour our ethics into every fresh layer of asphalt, the path can lead somewhere worth walking. If we don't, the path will still be built, just full of cracks we refuse to mend. Let's hold the hammer together. The future isn't written by machines, it's written by us, sentence by sentence.